Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Xiangtan here. I found an RC heaven. This is an RC airport, a special place built for RC planes. Big runway, you can even fly turbine jets. I'm thinking to fly electric paramotor as well. That's the best place to take off. And this is RC airport in Xiangtan city. Beautiful, all countryside only. And it's like heaven to fly RC, long range heaven. Now we can go long range without any issues. This is fun. So this weekend we are coming here for a big RC party. If it's not raining, there will be barbecue, there will be RC flying, long range flying. I mean, inshallah, we are going to have fun here. Back to our favorite spot, the new favorite spot we found with two little doggies here. A black doggy is my old friend. He was bothering my crawler. And the mummy is right there. Okay, let her eat. Hadi seems to like him, and he likes Hadi too. And we have the secret plane to fly today, which I will blur from this video. And we have Nimbus to fly, and a lot more stuff to fly. And a lot more stuff to play. Check it out, everything is filled in. And check out my sweet 3D printed crawler trailer. I'll give you an overview soon. Yay, it's working! BBQ time, baby!
So Mary, is working?
Yes, working well.
It's working well, man.
Maybe we put too much now.
Oh, we're good.
Too much charcoal.
We're good faster.
It's like a hot pot style with all the things you do.
I think this is the place we should come every weekend with more and more and more food. Right?
Every time. Because we are too skinny.
We need more food.
We need more food, yeah.
And eat more, fly more. I think after eating, we go rock crawling over there.
And fart more.
Yeah, eat more and fart more, right?
Yeah.
That's what. Yeah, that's what you said.
And fart more.
Burp more.
A burp contest.
Yeah, we can have a burp contest, no problem.
You have to do it, but only far away.
Using the Sky RC B6 Nano. Charges battery real well. Then we have a helicopter and rock crawling to do. And test how good is my 3D printed trailer.
I'm here.
Okay, go Irish. You will pass in front of the camera slowly, okay?
After me?
You behind Baba, okay?
And stay close now.
Just don't get stuck in the grass, okay?